Welcome back to the Retro Car Guy 530 YouTube channel. This video will talk about a security tip related to garage door openers in your vehicle. Who should have access to them and who shouldn't. Stay tuned. Whenever you don't have possession of your vehicle, people that you don't know or trust might have access to your vehicle and its contents. The item of concern in this case is the garage door remote transmitter you may carry in your vehicle. Now, if it's one that's not permanently attached to your vehicle, I would strongly suggest that you simply remove it from the vehicle when you leave the vehicle. So if it's clipped to the sun visor, like one like this might have a clip, or stored in a cubby hole, or wherever it might be, just simply take it with you. That way no one can steal the transmitter or copy the signal from it. The whole idea here is to prevent someone from gaining access to your garage or potentially your home by stealing the transmitter or copying the signal from it. But what about the ones that are integrated into the center rearview mirror or sun visor or some other panel in the vehicle? You can't remove them. I guess you could, but probably wouldn't be the easiest thing to do. So in that case, I would suggest looking up the exact procedure to erase the stored codes and signals for that transmitter. That way you can perform that procedure before you hand off your vehicle to whoever you're handing to, like the valet or service department. Now in this case, I have an example of this for a 2004 Chevrolet SSR. And I'm going to perform the procedure for a Homelink transmitter in this case. I'm going to press the two outside buttons. The red light goes steady, and for about 20 seconds you have to press and hold the two outside buttons. And once I've completed the procedure successfully, the red light will begin flashing. And once that's occurred, then I know all three buttons, the stored codes and signals, will have been removed. No one will be able to copy the signal by pressing the buttons and having another transmitter learn those. So in that case, that's the procedure I would recommend. Now it may be a little bit different for each different transmitter out there on the market, but Homelink's a fairly common one. So keep that in mind while you're out and about, and before you hand the keys to your vehicle to someone out there, keep that in mind and take as much of your vehicle with you, especially when it concerns access to your home. So keep that in mind. If you are coming to this channel for the first time, please subscribe. If you hit the like button, if you like this content, and hit the bell notification to keep up to date with all my future videos. Thanks for stopping by, and hope to see you again on Retro Car Guy 530 YouTube channel. Thanks.